Marshmallow Pumpkin Treats! 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 Hello, 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 my loves, and welcome back into my kitchen. I am Gabrielle Reyes, and this is the Colorful Home Cooking Show. All right, so I'm about to run out the door for a fierce friendsgiving feast with all my friends, tons of bomb vegan food, and I was like, what do I bring? What do I bring? And of course, I had to make my marshmallow pumpkin treats. They are perfect for fall and perfect for anybody who doesn't know what veganism is yet. They'll know what these crispy, delicious, and marshmallowy treats are. So let's get going, y'all. So what I have first is I have my pan getting nice and hot, and the first ingredient I'm going to incorporate is going to be some coconut oil. And I'm going to be using about 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use it already melted if you want to. Mine's already melted. Now the next ingredient we're going to put in here. The next ingredient gonna put in here. The next ingredient gonna put in here is butter. And today I'm using Earth Balance, soy-free. I personally really like this brand because it does so well, just easily incorporating it into baking items or on breads and stuff like that. So that's what I'm using for today's recipe. And what I'm gonna do is I have a big helping of my Earth Balance vegan butter, and I'm just gonna put it in my pan. Ooh, yes. And it's already sizzling up nice and hot. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt all that butter down along with that coconut oil. And this is gonna be the base for our marshmallow pumpkin treats. It literally already smells bomb, and it's just vegan butter and coconut oil. So you know it's about to be delicious. I make sure to make this recipe like 20 times around the holidays because it's the perfect snack, bite slash dessert. Snack, bite slash dessert. Hey, snack, bite slash dessert. It is the perfect snack, bite slash dessert that you can bring to a party for anybody to enjoy. Because I mean, it's pumpkin spice. All right, so our butter and our coconut oil is nice and melted down. And next thing I'm gonna incorporate are our vegan marshmallows. And what I'm gonna wanna do is get these nice and melted in here. This is going to be what makes it the marshmallow treat, of course. I am getting these wonderful vegan marshmallows melted down in my oil and in my butter. And these marshmallows that I'm using today are actually from Trader Joe's. You can also get the brand Dandies, which is bomb. They sell them pretty much at any natural food store. And I think I've been seeing them in some other grocery stores too. But today I'll be using Trader Joe's brand. They are perfect during this time of year because honestly, they only sell the marshmallows during like marshmallow season, which is like the winter, right? So I just stock up. I buy like 20 different bags, and then I make all my marshmallow treats all year long. Don't tell anybody, it's my secret. Melt, melt, baby, melt, melt, baby, melt, melt, baby, oh, melt, melt, baby, hey. I like to sing to my food, y'all, because it makes it go faster. Because I'm entertaining myself over here, dancing, singing, moving, doing what I do. While my food doing what she do. Ooh, and you can see it is getting all melty and delicious. And then we're gonna incorporate our seasoning, because why, y'all? Seasoning is everything. Seasoning is everything. Hey, seasoning is everything when you're making vegan food. Seasoning is everything, y'all. I say it all the time, and we're even going to be adding in some seasoning to our delicious marshmallow pumpkin treats. This party I'm about to go to is supposed to have tons of bomb vegan food, so I thought I should bring in my dessert, do what I do, bring a little something for everyone, you know. And what's bomb about this recipe too, y'all, it's gluten-free, it's soy-free, it's nut-free, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's soy-free, it's nut-free, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's soy-free, It's nut-free, it's vegan. Oh my goodness, I think our marshmallow oil butter mix is ready, y'all. Once it is all melted down and becoming one form, we're gonna add in our Pumpkinos. Now, you can use this brand from Trader Joe's, but if you don't have Trader Joe's around you, obviously I would go out and buy a cereal. You can even buy rice cereal if you want to. I like these because they already have the pumpkin spice in them. So I'm just gonna add that into my pot, a good, generous helping, just like that. I'll mix them in. Mix, 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 mix it in. Mix, 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 mix it in. Hey. And then I'm gonna sprinkle in some additional pumpkin spice seasoning. All right, y'all, let's mix this baby in. She is ooey and she is gooey, baby. Oh my goodness. All right, so now that I've got things kind of moving and grooving in my pot, I wanna sprinkle in just a dash of my vanilla. Y'all know I add vanilla to every dessert I make, so I of course gotta add it to my Marshmallow Pumpkin Treats. There we go. Nice little splash of vanilla. Okay. These are coming out beautiful. 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 All right, and since they're coming out so beautiful, you know what? I think I got enough marshmallow in here. I'm gonna add in the rest of my cereal. There we go. And like I said, y'all, you can use whatever brand of cereal you want. Make sure it's vegan, of course, and make sure it's gluten-free too. That way, you can just cover all those bases and make sure that everyone can have a bite of your deliciousness. I am getting all of that cereal mixed in with my marshmallow, and then they're gonna firm up in my pan, and then I'm gonna cut them up, and they're gonna be feast. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, these are so fun to make. All right, y'all, guess what? We done. All we have to do now is just put it in a pan, and we're gonna let them chill for a few minutes. Then we good to go, y'all. All right, so I have my pan right here, and I'm just gonna put in all of that deliciousness. But before I do that, I'm gonna spray it down with a little bit of some coconut oil. And I'm doing this because I don't want any of those pieces to stick. Ooh, yes, and just dump it in there. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, everyone is going to love these. So I'm just gonna press down all of that ooey gooey deliciousness. You want to make sure that that marshmallow is just spread evenly across everything. That way when you cut into it, everyone gets a good bite. Okay, these have been cooling for about 5 minutes and I am eager to dive into them, so I'm just gonna cut myself a piece. Look at this gooey, ooey, gooey mess. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to bite into it. Okay, there's still more, and I'm gonna dive in. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is bomb, you guys. And obviously it took me like 5 minutes to make because I'm about to pop these into a bag, head on over to my friendsgiving feast, and people are going to love them. You all saw how simple and how easy it was for me to make this incredibly scrumptious dessert. So why don't y'all get in the kitchen, get yourself glowing, get yourself going, and make yourself some marshmallow pumpkin treats. I'll see you all next time on the Colorful Home Cooking Show. Bye, my loves. Marshmallow pumpkin treats. Marshmallow pumpkin treats. Marshmallow pumpkin treats. Marshmallow pumpkin treats.